Thanks for staying on. We're getting you a pan-India view of festival shopping and how's the response been this year. Of course, a lot of people are not choosing to step out, go to marketplaces here for Diwali shopping, but nevertheless, it is an unavoidable festive season. It is the buzz of Diwali that is felt across the country, across homes. Let's now go across to our correspondent Neha, who's at MG Road, and this is particularly as far as gold shopping on Dhanteras is concerned. Neha, what really has been the response this year?
Well, Seher, in fact, it seems like it's a lot of pent-up shopping that's really happening over here in Bengaluru on Diwali, because let's remember that gold is something that, people purchase not only for the festive season, but also for the wedding season. And having said that, with so many weddings being cancelled, so many festivities being postponed, it seems like it's all just come down right here. In fact, what we're actually seeing today, Seher, in this showroom, that we're at, a very popular one, is something that, of course, they've not really witnessed in months. This is relatively a better crowd than what they had expected, is what the showroom manager also tells us. In fact, we are actually going to go and try to actually speak to some of these people that are here, that are shopping right now, and understand from them. It is, of course, the festive season. It's Dhanteras. It's considered to be an auspicious occasion to buy gold. So let's just quickly talk to them and find out from them as to what it is really that's brought them here. Hi, ma'am. If I can just have a second to speak to you. So you're here. You're purchasing gold or jewelry on the occasion of Dhanteras. If you can just tell us, how has the festival been different, or how will it be different for you this year around?
Because of Corona, this is very difficult time to everyone. But we are here to purchase some at least 2 or 5 grams of gold because of Dhanteras. It is good here.
Okay, all right. In fact, of course, that's what one person had to say. There are several others also who've actually, just lined up over here, if you can see, to, just purchase a little bit of gold. And the fact that, there are these many people coming out could have been a cause of concern. But having said that, most of these showrooms or, stores for that matter have taken adequate precautions. And, they too are just excited to be having this crowd coming in after all this time.
All right, that's good to hear there, Neha. This is, of course, shopping for an auspicious occasion, which makes it important, whatever little that can be bought for keeping in mind what is part of the ritual here every year in Diwali as well. Our correspondent Pramod with us right now. He's in Chennai. This is from the Ranganathan Street here. Pramod, you, of course, through the week have been getting us various updates on how COVID-appropriate behavior and SOPs and all the guidelines that need to be followed have largely been, apart from certain exceptional cases that were reported. But does this mean if people are not wanting to be out on the streets to shop, that hasn't really stopped shopping? Does it mean a lot of it this year has shifted online?
Well, sir, we have to simply say that, amidst Corona, the people behind me, that, you could very clearly see that I am actually literally swimming through an ocean of people. This is Ranganathan Street. It is completely crowded. There are two things of, such an aspect to it. One part, yes, they are wearing masks. Thankfully, almost 90% of the people here are wearing masks. But at the same time, social distancing is of a big concern. It looks like they are more infected with Diwali fever, that they're completely forgotten about COVID-19. But at the same time, it looks like most of the people are here for shopping, and that is considered as a positive effect about people coming outside and trying to celebrate Diwali. So it is actually kind of like a counterbalance effect over here. More effort could have been provided by the government in maintaining social distancing, but the crowd is absolutely overwhelming, and it looks like last minute shopping is what is occurring over there. So it is becoming a bit difficult for authorities, but at least they are enforcing that the crowd does wear a mask for now.
All right, Pramod, certainly hoping that everyone out there remains safe and manages to keep whatever precautions is possible out on the streets. Pramod, Neha, Mayuresh, Alok from across the country getting us all of those images and inputs here for Diwali on the eve of the festival. Many thanks.